It's really an exciting time to become a future healthcare leader, and there are very few cities that offer the breadth and depth of healthcare experience that Indianapolis provides. From providers and manufacturers to pharmaceuticals and insurance companies, the MHA program at IUPUI is in the center of it all. The city and the campus lend themselves to collaboration across healthcare sectors, creating a unique learning environment. This environment, paired with our excellent faculty and the largest alumni network in the state, make the MHA program at the Fairbanks School of Public Health a top choice for future healthcare leaders.
The reason why I chose the Fairbanks MHA program was because of its setting within Indianapolis. Indianapolis is a very unique healthcare landscape.
You are seated right here in the heart of downtown, where there are some of, the major health networks and hospitals, and you're within steps of all of it.
The school has a lot of connections with all of the hospital networks around town. I could look at community health, I could look at IU Health, I can look at Eskenazi Health.
You have St. Vincent, St. Francis, they're all around this area, and a lot of the alumni from the program are actually inserted themselves into these organizations.
I was very surprised to learn that there's hundreds of alumni in the Indianapolis area even still.
I really think an advantage of a program here is the access that you have to all of these other healthcare executives, internships, opportunities for projects.
Our program is nearly 50 years old. We've graduated people that are occupying the CEO chairs, the chief operating officer chairs, and involved in operations on nearly every aspect of health administration.
You have to say the program was a springboard to the rest of my career. If I didn't have that MHA, I would never have been able to entertain the kind of career I've had.
That's how the program's set up, is to put you in those real-life practical situations and expose you to different healthcare leaders. Truly, the golden ticket for me is that experience and exposure.
The practical experiences that we had through internships was invaluable to me.
Part of the program shows the importance of professionalism, how to be a professional, how to think, how to act, how to interact with people.
A huge component of our curriculum is learning how to be an effective communicator, how to manage others, how to manage yourself, and how to recognize, what you might need to do to develop personally.
Not only will you get the business and organizational skills that you need to be successful as an executive, but you'll get those population health skills necessary to actually contribute.
The academic end, the education that we receive, those are tremendously helpful and insightful on the topics themselves, but I think the program does a fantastic job of connecting us with professionals that have lived it.
Well, my favorite thing about the program, and why I encourage people to pick this program, is our professors. Many of our professors have other careers beyond just being a professor.
Some of them have ridiculous amount of experience, stuff that a lot of us students aspire to get to.
The faculty also put a high value on networking, and they really help us out with that a lot.
They want you to be successful.
So I started off in just the MHA program, but through the faculty here, they encouraged me to pursue a dual program.
Having that second degree, for me as a job candidate and for my potential future career, was so worthwhile.
I realized that my dual degree and my experience at IU Health has prepared me more than I thought it did.
It caused me to realize that really why I'm in healthcare is to help create the conditions where highly committed caregivers, doctors, patients, environmental service workers, can be their best in serving patients in their most vulnerable times.
I'm so grateful that I look back that I did the MHA program. It was really a good investment.
And it's been a perfect degree for me.
I'm looking forward to starting my career, and I feel very prepared.